Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on your CUBOT P80 Pro. To do that, open Google Chrome application, tap on the three dots on the right corner and there scroll down and open settings selection. In it, password manager, and there we can easily manage our Google passwords. We can tap there. Now to manage it, we must enter our look screen, and there we can copy our email by this first icon. We can copy our username and passwords, or after we press the size icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. We can also edit all by tap on edit, and there we can add something or delete what you need and prefer, and the same story with password. We can also add note which we see in our password manager. When we custom something, we must press save to save it. We can also delete all by delete and confirm by delete. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.